In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to refund on Stripe. We'll walk through the exact clicks in the dashboard and cover what each choice means so you can issue a refund with confidence. First, log into your Stripe dashboard. Make sure you are in the correct account and have the permissions to handle payments since refunds change live balances. Next, head to the Payments tab. This page lists your recent charges. Use the search bar or filters like date, amount, or last 4 digits to quickly narrow things down. Taking a moment to confirm you've got the right payment helps you avoid refunding the wrong charge. Once you've located the payment you want to refund, look to the right side of that row for the 3 dots, sometimes called the overflow menu. Click it and choose Refund Payment. That opens a dialog where you'll finalize the details. You'll see the refund amount field first. Stripe defaults to a full refund, which returns the entire captured amount. If you only need to send back part of the charge, replace that number with the smaller amount. You can issue partial refunds more than once until the total equals the original charge, but remember that refunds are typically final once submitted. Next, select a reason for the refund. Common choices include duplicate, fraudulent, or requested by customer. Pick the option that best describes the situation. This reason appears in your records and can help with reporting and future audits. When everything looks correct, click Refund. Stripe will process the request and update the payment status to refunded or partially refunded. You'll see the change in the Payments tab almost immediately. For your customer, the funds usually appear back on their statement in a few business days, though timing varies by bank. If your receipt emails are enabled, your customer may automatically receive a notification about the refund. You can always review the refund details later in the payment timeline for clear tracking. A few helpful tips as you wrap up. Double fact-check the amount and reason before submitting, since refunds generally can't be reversed. If the payment is still pending or uncaptured, consider capturing or canceling appropriately before you refund to keep your records clean. And be aware that timelines and fee handling can vary by region and card network. If this walkthrough helped, keep it handy for your team, and thanks for watching.